Trumbull with Packlytics. In today's video, we are going to place the sensor mounts, and I also want to reiterate, I say it on every single video, make sure you're routing cables and not mounting any sensors or any type of equipment on or near any moving parts on the machine. I also want to point out, if people see it, that there is a camera on here that is actually part of our capture kit, which is a wrap capture. We actually can take pictures of every single load that is wrapped and send that up to the cloud so you can proof that out for deliveries. So what we're going to do, we already have the sensor mounts pre-assembled. There is a video on that to see how to assemble all the sensor mounts. On this particular machine, we're going to use 2 self-tapping screws. And the holes are already there because we have installed this on this machine before. And that's all it takes to put a sensor mount on. And then, again, we already done a video on how to assemble all of this. I just would like to stress to make sure you have access to that screw. Don't put it in a direction that you can't access the screw. And per the other video, you'll want to get the sensor generally on where you're going to need it and generally aiming. So like this one will be towards the center of the skid. And do not tighten it down. We'll do that later. Just tighten it enough so you can still move this around. And then we have one other sensor, and that is our roll monitor sensor. Get this out of the way for you. And notice that this mount, just like the video says, this pole can be mounted in any one of the holes. It all depends on how you put that block in there. So like on this one, because we needed to get more projection to get to the center of the roll, we mounted it straight out, which means you have to get the height relatively right. To hit within the bottom 2 inches of the roll is what we recommend. Again, 2 screws, and I have also already pre-installed this. So notice that this can be mounted in adjusting it out. And just like all the other installs, we are just going to snug this in and get it generally pointed where the roll would be, somewhere towards the bottom. And again, only snug it down so it just doesn't fall off. And that is installing the 2 sensors pre-install or pre-powering on the box. Thank you.